The secret AI features in RecurPost you are not using.
In the last video, we built the engine, we set up the evergreen libraries, the 24/7 loops, and the scheduling framework that ensures your brand never goes silent. But let's be honest, an engine is powerless without fuel, and in social media, fuel is content. The number one reason social media strategies fail isn't scheduling, it's the blank page syndrome. It's the hours spent staring at a cursor, trying to write 7 different captions for 7 different platforms, and hunting for images that don't look like, well, cheesy stock photos. So today, I'm showing you the brain of RecurPost. Most people use this tool just for scheduling, but they are completely ignoring the AI layers that can handle 90% of the creative workload. Here, we're going to look at features that generate a month's worth of posts in 5 minutes, AI personas that write exactly like you, and secret plugins that automate your hashtag strategy. If you want to make the paradigm shift from social media manager to social media architect, pay attention. Let's dive in. The AI Command Center, weekly planning. Let's start with the feature that justifies the entire subscription. Plan weekly posts with AI. To access this, click on the Share a Post button, then select Plan Weekly Posts with AI from the drop-down. Step 1. Profile selection. Step 1 is all about selection. On the left pane, you'll see your connected social profiles. Select the ones you want to create content for. For this example, I'm selecting my LinkedIn and Instagram. Step 2, the Idea Hub. Step 2 is where we feed the engine. In the Include Your Ideas box, you don't need a finished script, just give a prompt. For instance, the importance of regular SaaS audits for cost savings. Step 3, tone and the persona power play. This step is the exact moment where most social strategies lose their flavor, and 99% of users go wrong. They leave the tone on neutral. Do not do that. You can instead select professional, witty, or inspirational. But the real secret? The persona box. Action. Show the detailed persona text being entered. You can actually define a character. Tell the AI, you are Sarah, a social media manager with 10 years of experience. You speak with authority but use emojis to stay approachable. Your target audience is CTOs of mid-sized tech companies. By defining this, the AI stops sounding like a generic robot and start speaking like a member of your team. Step 4, scheduling the volume. Next, we build your content plan. This is where you map out your presence for the entire week. On the right, you'll see the dates for the upcoming week. You can choose to generate 1 post, 2 posts, or none for specific days. This allows you to create a high-frequency strategy for weekdays and a lighter touch for weekends. Click Generate Posts. In about 30 seconds, RecurPost doesn't just give you ideas, it gives you finished, formatted posts with hashtags and calls to action, ready to be dropped into your schedule.
Automating the unexpected. Special Days AI. How many times have you realized it was World Health Day or Earth Day at 4 p.m.? By then, the trend has passed and it's too late to post? RecurPost has a solution for this. It's called the Special Days AI. Go back to the Share a Post menu and select Special Days Posts AI. Click the drop-down. The system automatically pulls a calendar of upcoming holidays and observances, everything from April Fool's Day to Tax Day. So, let's select Earth Day. Again, you select your platforms. In the Ideas box, I'm going to type Celebrate Earth Day, protect nature, reduce waste, and inspire change. Click Generate. The AI writing assistant opens up. Look at the output. It creates a thoughtful, long-form caption with a list of actionable steps and a full set of relevant hashtags like #ProtectOurPlanet and #SustainableLiving. From here, you have 2 choices: Add to Post to send it out now, or Add to Library to save it for your evergreen loop for next year. This is how you build a brand that feels present without you being glued to a holiday calendar. The Prompting Masterclass, AI Templates. If you want even more control, you need to use the AI templates. This is effectively a library of pre-built prompts that have been engineered for high engagement. Show the different templates. Look at these options. First things first, the motivational posts to keep your feed's energy high. Then, the YouTube to post feature. This is a total hidden gem. You just paste a URL, and the AI strips out the key insights for you. And for the personal brands, use the new skill option to stay relatable and authoritative. Now let's try the new skill you learned. Filling the boxes all input. I have successfully learned on-page SEO. The AI asks for challenges faced. I'll put
finding the right platform and learning the basics. Recommendation: start with the basics. Be patient. When I hit generate, the AI crafts a narrative. It's not just a statement, it's a story about a journey. It includes a hook like, struggling with digital marketing? You're not alone. Then, it builds a bulleted list of what worked, and a growth mindset conclusion. This takes the work out of work-life posting. The visual layer, AI image generation. KPIs are only half the battle. You need visuals. Inside the Add a One-Off Post window, click Add Media, then select Generate Image using AI. The prompt is everything here. Instead of social media image, try something specific like a professional digital ad showcasing a social media automation tool. The image should feature a cheerful woman at a sleek desk, laptop with floating icons of Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Click Generate. Wait a few seconds. The system uses a DALL-E style integration to create a unique, royalty-free image that perfectly matches your brand's message. No more copyright strikes, and no more using the same stock photo as your competitors. The secret plugins menu. Now we're getting into the power user settings that most people never click on. Go to your profile icon and select plugins. This is the secret lab of RecurPost. 1. URL Shortener. Firstly, stop posting long, ugly Amazon or tracking links. Click Manage under URL Shortener. You can connect your Bitly account here. Once set up, any link you paste into a post will be automatically shortened and tracked. 2. Bags of tags. Next, we have the bags of tags. If you're tired of copy-pasting the same 30 hashtags, click Manage here. You can create bags. For example, a SaaS bag with hashtag SaaS, hashtag growth hacking, and hashtag tech. When you're writing a post, you can just call up the bag instead of typing them one by one. 3. Testimonial templates. This one is liked by all because it includes the kind words said about your hard work and places it on center stage through the testimonial templates. Check this out. Let's click Manage. This tool allows you to convert text reviews from your social inbox into beautiful, branded images instantly. It's the fastest way to turn social proof into content. Custom fields and scaling. Then, for the agency owners, RecurPost has custom fields as your best friend. Imagine you have 50 clients. You want to create one post that says, check out our latest deals at company name. By using custom fields, you can set a value for each social profile. For client A, the value is ABC Tech. For client B, it's XYZ Marketing. When you post, RecurPost automatically swaps the bracketed text for the correct name based on which profile it's posting to. This is how you manage 100 brands with the effort of managing one. The Data Whisperer, Reports AI. Finally, how do you know if all this AI work is actually paying off? You look at the reports. But don't just look at the graphs. Use the Chat with Reports AI feature. You can literally ask the system, which of my AI-generated posts performed best last Tuesday? Or, what is my average engagement rate on LinkedIn versus Instagram? It interprets the data for you and gives you a summary. It's like having a data scientist on call 24/7. We've covered a lot today. We went from basic scheduling to using AI as a writer, a designer, a holiday planner, and a data analyst. The secret isn't just that these features exist, it's how they work together. You use the weekly planner to build the bulk, the templates to add the human touch, and the plugins to polish the delivery. If you're still doing this manually, you are working for the machine. It's time to make the machine work for you. Check the link in the description to start your trial. If you missed part 1 on how to build the 24/7 evergreen loop, click the video on your screen now.